Hi everyone, good evening, and this is Ruga right now performing at Germany at the Wireless Festival. Ruga is super incredible with this amazing performance, guys. But then, if you're new to the page, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to click that subscription button and get yourself subscribed to the channel, and also turn the bell notification icon on so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Ruga is a very great performer when it comes to representing Nigeria on the map. Ruga knows how to do his performance thing very well. I love Ruga so much, and Ruga is one of the Gen Z of Afrobeats right now. He's competing with the likes of Charlie Poppy, Rayman is out of the league. Charlie Poppy, Odumodu Block, Arasta, Tems is a big artist, Omale, which other artist, Benson. We have a lot of numerous Nigerian artists that are doing this thing, that are taking Nigeria to the global stage. They are representing Nigeria at the international level. Ruga is such an amazing artist. Ruga has that charisma, he has that music charisma, he knows how to coordinate himself when he's on stage. I can't even say less about Ruga, because it's evident everyone know how much Ruga can perform, how much Ruga's talent is. Victor himself is not left out of one of the persons that is making Afrobeat what it is today, right? Victor has dropped classical album that has value, that has content, meaning, has a story to tell. The likes of Burna Boy, Wizkid, and Davido had done their part. They had laid down a good foundation for these youngins, and they are here making the OGs proud. OGs like Olamide, Fino, P-Square, we have Don Jazzy, we have the likes of the band, though he's not singing. We have a lot of them. The OGs are very proud of these youngins. They are very proud of how much they are taking the culture to the global level. Look at the energy Ruga is using. Ruga is getting everyone excited. His performance just keeps you at one corner, makes you feel what he wants you to feel. So basically, I love Ruga so much. I love Ruga. I'm a big fan of Ruga. I'm not even gonna lie. I love Ruga. So Ruga was like, listen, I'm going to do it, bro. He came and he did it. I don't really know what happened to us at his eyes, but Ruga can still, take your girlfriend away from you with that one eye. You're talking about Ruga, the man that really knows how to rock a girl on stage. Ruga and Omale, I don't know either of them that is more talented in doing the girl rocking thing on stage. Because their stage performances is always full of girl, and he's going to do it. Just give him a little moment, you will see Ruga in action. Yes. So he took off his clothes, displaying his six-pack, telling you that I've got six-pack and I can carry the girl away from you. I don't just know how to sing, I've got six-pack. So you should be aware of that. You should know that I have six-pack. You should know I have six-pack. So Ruga says yes, he has six-pack. It's funny, right? But I'm not even kidding, because I'm not even gonna lie. He's whatever he says he is, right? Ruga is good. Yeah, the guy is very good. Now look at this girl with her iPhone, she's vibing, and she just feel like Ruga should come and take her away, take her to places she doesn't know. Bro, Bruce killing it. Bruce doing huge stuff, right? Even if you wanna like it or so, but your conscience will still tell you the truth that he's doing it 100%. I love the energy, the strength. The strength is so good. I love the strength. I love how coordinated he is. His dance steps, his dance move. But it's something to write home about. You guys making me personally proud. You guys making me happy as an African artist. You guys killing it, bruh. Come on. Ooga. I feel I was at the stage, man. I would shout, I would scream to the top of my lungs. I would scream my lungs out for Ruga. It's like I love Ruga so much. I love Ruga. Yeah, I love Ruga. So yes, I love Ruga. And his dress was very simple, though classic. Simple but professional. Simple, but it was giving luxury, it was giving fashion, it was giving wealthy, it was giving rich, wealthy, it was giving everything, I love Ruga. When they, and come to think of it, all our African artists, all our Afrobeat artists that performed at these wireless festival all killed it in terms of dress, in terms of their fashion. They all killed it. They all went on the A's, they all went on the A's. And that's just gonna make me happy about that. Bro, it's not that easy, don't think because they're doing it easy. It's not. Yeah, I hope you guys are following me or you are clicking that subscription button, because if you're not clicking it, then you are doing yourself more harm. Like, how would you enjoy the content as a registers and you don't click that subscription button? No, it's not good. You need to click it and then also subscribe so you don't miss rich content like this in the future. And also click the bell notification icon and turn it on so that you don't miss out on any of our future videos. So you always be notified when we make a boost and you don't get to miss out on any music related videos, stuff, news, trends, and what have you. So this is almost the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section the best part of this performance that you really enjoyed so much. I want to know what you would say about Ruga, or how did you feel if he was coming to your state to perform. Will you sell your property to get into the arena to see Ruga perform again, or would you just overlook it? I bet you will do the first one. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it.